welcome to another episode of 7-Eleven Devin. And Delphi is, well, she's doing her homework right now, so she's not going to be with us. But I'm doing something different like I did before on the steak, okay? I made a microwave steak before, and it was not bad, but this time, of course, I put the salt on. Couldn't find the pepper, so splashed on Tabasco. Put it on pretty good, but you can never have too much of that stuff. Then I let it sit for about an hour and a half, and I put some Mexican marinade sauce on the top of it. Okay. So then some garlic and some red onions, and then I'm going to put this on top. All right, this is that same plastic thing. I've used it in the microwave so many times. I think it came from Area 51. And so anyway, I'll be back in 2 minutes, or for you, 1 second.
3.
Okay, it's been 2 minutes. It's been in the microwave and had its little UFO hat on it. And let's give this thing a little flip over. And boy, that does look kind of good, doesn't it? Okay. All right. And then I'm going to cover it back up. Can't help myself. Always put a little bit of that on there. Okay. And I'll put it in the microwave, and I'll be back in 1 second.
2.
Okay, hi, this is Devin. Actually I put it in for 1.5 minutes instead of 2 minutes because I don't want it to be too tough. And of course I hid this on there, so holds the heat in really good. Now I want you to know these ribeye steaks I get at J-Gourmet.com. And they're here in Thailand, and they deliver everywhere. If you live in America or the UK, probably not a good place to buy them and have them shipped, okay? They'll probably thaw by the time they get there. So anyway, and Delphi's still doing her homework over here, so she's not going to be on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a taste of this, like I always do. Got the nice onions and garlic, and ooh, man, it seems tender. Oh, let's see. That's a hot little bugger. Very good. 1.5 minutes was good. It was a little thicker. 2 minutes on one side, flip it, 1.5, with the little UFO put on it, okay? And then, you put your sauce and your, salt, pepper, all the stuff you want. And I even got a salad here, so I'm ready to eat. And I'll see you tomorrow.